Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent 400 of these amazing little cups that you can use whether you're packing up different things like candy or cheese balls. They are 3.25 ounces, have a nice little lid that is actually leak proof. So I filled this one up with water and that is not coming out. So that is super impressive. And the sizing of these is not a standard size that you'd see anywhere. Like you know, this is a great amount of stuff. Like you can come in here, put your, little nuts in here and then seal them up. Then if you're giving them out as, whether it's for a party or you're having your kids bring into school for sauces and dips and all that stuff, you can easily use this. Like I said, if you're having a nice little salad, you just simply dump in your dressing. You get however much you're wanting in there. Get your lid on there and put it up, and completely leak proof. So these are going to be fantastic to send with my kids for lunch, for all the little snacks. And then whenever they're done with them, you can just simply throw them out, not worry about, what happens to them or anything else, because they've got these nice lids, all sealed up, holds a ton of stuff, and you have so many of them, you can use them for events or at home.